sunshine today, so we have a better weather. Today I have prepared fish fillet and I chopping already my potatoes, so we make fish and chips. So I do my own potatoes and I will fry it. So I just slice into like this size, in a big size, so that I want the bigger size. And this fish fillet I have to coating with this. So first we have to cook the potatoes while we breading those fish. So first I have to pour more oil today, more, so that we have a good and yummy fish and chips. So this is more oil. Then we have to set it up into pan fry, okay? And while we waiting, I'm gonna salt this fish, okay? Not too salty, which we always have a choice when this is not salty. We have always extra salt into the table, so just let it like this, okay. Oh, I think it's too much. Okay, so while we doing the fish, I have to fry this potato first. I want to use my hands to put it, otherwise, ooh, okay. All right, so just leave it like this and put into a high heat. All right, and I just prepare those, no. Okay, and next I have to prepare the egg. Add a little bit salt, okay, and a milk, okay, and we have to beat it. I'm using this fork to beat. I have two different color of egg yolk, but look at this, it's so nice. um, move a little bit those potatoes so that it will not ferment. Okay, and lower a little bit. Okay, and so let it fry. And first step, this flour you have to put coating all over the fish. So do it like this. Okay. So let me put it here first until all the fish coat. Okay. So we have a fishy fish and chips for today. Like this. Okay. And do it at the same way. Around the fish. So I want to use all this. The more flour, the more thicker, and the outcome is beautiful. Okay, so I just put it back. So next I have to use this egg, but I must pour it here, not enough fish into it. Okay, just like this to let the fish lying into the egg. And I want to prepare this now. It's a breadcrumbs. Okay, that is a breadcrumbs. Okay, so you have to rolling this fish like this. Okay, and more. Okay, and put into the breadcrumbs to cover all the body. Okay, so just let the more thicker you have, the more fish tasty. So let it all over. And when you can remove also those okay. slowly turning, which I like more egg. One egg. Okay. Then to let the fish cover all over. Then do it like this. Actually, you need more breadcrumbs to let the fish in the bed, but if you won't use them all, which I don't wanna waste it, so I just reduce and let the breadcrumbs stick all together so that not miss anything. Look at this. Now the potato is cooked, so we have to higher the heat so that the potato goes a little bit crunchy. But I pick up the wrong size. One big one, one small one. So I have to change it. Look at this. Okay, just let the potato goes crunchy, then we have to piece out. It's a lot of fun with this. To let the potato crunchy, I put a little bit. So our potato is cooked enough, so we need to remove them. Not too dark, so we have to take it immediately. Okay, I have to put one piece at a time. Just one, it's not enough. My frying pan is not big enough, so just let cook one piece at a time. Okay. And I show you how it looks, how beautiful our potato which I make. First, I have peel it and slice. I soak into a salty water in at least 1.5 hours, and then now and then I remove the water. Now it's crunchy and very soft inside. So that is the outcome when you make your own chips at home. So just do it something like this. Better you don't need to cut the fish so that the fish looks beautiful and big crunchy fish. So just let the fish roll around so that it will not burn, but the oil is enough, but only my frying pan it's not big enough for this big fish. Now we have done the fish, so this is cooked enough, so I have to take it out now. Don't let your fishy get burned, so we have to switch off, and this is fish, and I have to prepare for you salad. Look at this. This is the vegetable salad, and it is very good for the fish. So look at that. And I want to use a salad cream. This is very good cream, and just pour it all over with this. Then you can enjoy your fish and chips with the salad. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and please press the bell button so that you always be the one who watching my new uploaded videos. Thank you. And wait, so let me try, and I want, of course, I want to use also this the ketchup or salad cream, also good, and ketchup it's better. So let me try. It's so yummy, very delicious. So come, let's eat. Bye bye.